This is Joe. He's a fix-it-right-now kind of guy. That's why his tenants love him. He fixes dozens of problems every day with nothing but a dab of imagination and a few special tools. From tilting toilets and leaning bookshelves to wobbly tables and workbenches, rattling pipes and loose cabinet joints, these fixes could take hours, but Joe gets them done in seconds. How Wobble Wedges this incredibly adept looks like a toilet shim, but it's way more than that. That means you can stack them securely to fill any gap. The soft Wobble Wedges are so flexible you can trim them to a perfect fit with a utility knife or wrap them around a pipe to silence a rattle. The hard Wobble Wedge is so tough it can support over 2,000 pounds. And finally, the grab bar. This makes them so easy to adjust or retrieve. No other wedge has all these features, is available in 2 sizes in hard or soft. Joe uses Wobble Wedges to level, tilt, stabilize, tighten, adjust, pry, twist, clamp, silence, spread, glue and sand scrape, and so much more. Has 3 US patents, and is proudly made in the USA. When it comes right down to it, the one special tool Joe and every maintenance guy like him needs on every job is a Wobble Wedge. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.